people? Mid-morning anyways. What a Monday morning it's been. Hectic running back and forth. This job, that job, figuring stuff out. Finally getting to some work. Real work. Heading to the pit right now to grab some crusher run. We're gonna tailgate spread that one driveway that's up on the hill. Start getting the blue rock in there. Miko's just doing a blacktop patch on that previous loading dock apron. He's finishing up now, and he'll meet me on site. But yeah, gonna attempt to tailgate spread down that steep, windy hill. All right, we will check back. Guys, that was load one. Probably gonna take 10 loads. Won't get them all today because, like I said, it's crouching on noon right now. But that first one was a little sketchy because the hill was leaning a little bit and my load got hung up in there, so I couldn't get it timed that good. But we'll get better as the day goes on. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys, here's load two. I got another trucker trucking with me. He was afraid to tailgate spread it, so he's screwing our rhythm up. He's got a load out there piled up and off the driveway, so I'm gonna spread this one and we'll see how she goes. Boys and girls, that one was a little bit better. Look at that bead all the way up and around. Of course, in the beginning we leave a little pile from where we left off so the dozer could backblade, and you know, once you get it up, unless you're moving, it's going to do that. So yeah, sweetness. All right, Meek's in the truck. We're heading to lunch.
Howdy do.
Howdy do. All right. Alright guys, I'm on my third load. The other trucker got 2 loads in. He did tailgate that one pretty good. So Miko's here, he's on the dozer. He's gonna be coming up. So I'm gonna get this load here. It's the most sketchiest one down this steep and around this bend. It should get us on the other side of the bend. I know it probably don't look steep in the video, but it's steep. Alright, stay tuned. All right, guys, that was number 4 for me. The last load, it got hung up good. We got good on that. It got, you know, some of the moisture content in there, and then that I noticed that one chain was kinked, so it's making a catch on that one side. But yeah, you see how it's tailgate, and we want about a 6 to 8 inches. Then he could hit it with the dozer and get it right to 6, perfect, which it's nice. And then that gives him a nice line to follow right here coming off of this. Then everything will crown into our ditch. We'll dress all that up. Next truck hug my shoulder right here. So we're doing 2 trucks wide, and we're good with that. I gotta go get fuel. This up so it comes around smooth transition. We only got 4 hours into this. Well, we started around noon, so yeah, about 4 hours. And I'll get the bird in the sky, give you a little view. Keep in mind the edges aren't dressed up. We didn't do none of that. Tomorrow we'll be back here, get a little turnaround over there in the culvert. I don't know if I explained that already, but yeah, we gotta put a culvert in up above and bring in some more gravel and pressure on. So stay tuned for the bird. Guys, next morning, got a load of gravel on the truck, just got a little bird footage in the sky and decided to crash the drone into the dozer. Of course, it wasn't recording again. I was just going around it and he was going forward, then he backed up without knowing the drone was there and boom, smashed it. Blew the propellers off, so time for another rebuild. But yeah, he's boxing this little turnaround out, then we're gonna put a culvert in. Here, I'm gonna dump the load back there. I just found a blade, the blade that blew off. I already just threw the other ones out because they were kind of tore up, but the one that fell off is in good shape. Weird, man. It just this close, just nicked it. Oh, so if I just bailed right, it would have got out, but I froze thinking he was gonna not keep coming back, and it is what it is. It's raining out now, of course, and there's my tailgate spread, my last one. Look at that, he ain't even hitting it with the dozer. You could just roll it. It's so dang good, huh? Hit it with the roller after I spread it. Pretty sweet. So yeah, we'll get that shaped up. I'm gonna run back to the yard. I got some other things to take care of. All right, guys, almost at the end of the day here. Just how the dozer shaping up. Shaping this. We added a couple more loads going down on the phase 1 part, and we got all this all the way around up. We got that parking area up there with the culvert in, and then obviously the crusher run all the way up, you saw. But I'll take a peek, walk through up there to look at that. I didn't even see that yet after Miko got done with it. He did all that work today. I was on another site prepping for tomorrow, so I'm gonna get this shaped up. I'll give you a walkthrough at the end of the day. This is my 100th video, so yeah, I want to give a thanks to all my subscribers. You know, almost pushing 250, and yeah, this is great. All right, check back. ditches need to be dressed up. But like I said, this is just a filler job. We just come here when we can, and he wanted to get the truck running, and I had a day and a half to get it done. So tomorrow we will be back on. Tomorrow we'll be back on that tricky foundation job. We got to go over there. We got to haul some dirt out of there. I think install some stone for the footing, guys. I'm not sure, but we'll be there in the morning, and we'll be somewhere else in the afternoon. So hope you enjoyed it. 100th video. Again, thanks. Thumbs up.